Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove iOS beta from iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to remove iOS beta updates from your iPhone, so let's see how you can do that. So you just have to simply go to your settings app, and in settings, very first you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection, and you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. Once you have disconnected, just simply go to your general section, go to software update, and here you'll find your beta updates if you have any beta update installed on your iPhone, so you might get it here. If you want to remove that beta update and go to original iOS version of your iPhone, so you have to simply go to your beta update section and just disable beta updates from here. Just have them off and your beta updates will be off. So once you have done, you just have to simply go back. So after disabling your beta updates, you'll get the original iOS update available for your iPhone. So the very first, I recommend you how to relaunch your settings app. Go to settings app again, and here go to general, go to software update. Very first, just note this update size from here, then go to your iPhone storage section, and you have to make sure that you have almost 5 to 10 GB more than your update size free in your iPhone storage. Once you have checked, just simply go back, go to software update, and just tap on this update now option to update your iPhone to the latest available iOS versions. After that, your beta updates or beta iOS will be removed. So in this way, you can easily remove your iOS beta from your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.